Hello everybody and welcome to the Personalized instructional video series for the Personalized Wiki. In this series we're going to explain how you can create complete website and cross-channel personalization using the Personalized software. Now it doesn't matter whether you're running an e-commerce site, a content site, lead generation, or any other type of website. There are almost always applications to be made with Personalize because it is quite a comprehensive robust system. And that's why we're creating these video series to walk you through every step of the process so that you understand from start to finish how you can personalize your website, emails, and apps. But first, I just want to talk to you on a higher level about Personalize, what it does generally, and then we'll get into actually showing you in the system. Personalize is made to be operated completely from start to finish by marketers and other non-technical professionals. And that means that you are not required to know any coding or to use any of your IT resources in the implementation of Personalize campaigns. There's a simple installation, a one-time copy-paste 5-minute installation by copying and pasting a tracking code or a tag into your tag manager or header of your master page, and that allows it to work on any website. It doesn't matter what platform you're using, it doesn't matter what kind of e-commerce platform, although we do have special integrations for some of the most popular types of e-commerce platforms, so definitely ask us about that or look into that if you're using one of those. But yeah, all it requires to do everything that it does to track all of your visitors, to make all the changes to the website that it makes, is for that little bit of code to be on the back end, and you don't have to do any further back end development. That's very important to know. It's also important to know that Personalize has no effect on your site's SEO performance and also no perceptible effect on site load time. So all of those are a few key things to know. Right, so as I said, Personalize is a comprehensive personalization solution for website, emails, and apps. And how it does what it does is essentially that it collects a complete data profile on each and every visitor to your website, including information about their referrers, behaviors on the site, interactions with your products or content, any CRM data that you've integrated into the system, etc. Then using that data does one of two primary things. That is either to show targeted content to a segment that you define based on the data that you have of them, or to show dynamically generated AI recommendations which are generated by algorithms and displayed in some type of widget on your website. These are the product or content recommendations that you're probably familiar with on a variety of websites, especially major e-commerce sites, recommended for you, etc. It also has email functionality. You can include our recommendations in emails. You can send emails from our system, or you can embed our emails into third-party email systems. It also has its own detailed internal analytics and is integrated with Google Analytics by default. And it can integrate with a variety of other platforms, including just about any CRM, product database, email service, virtually anything that supports API integration, webhooks, or integration via the exporting or synchronization with data spreadsheets. So, in other words, Personalize is collecting all of this data on each visitor, and it is either showing them targeted content, which could be virtually anything you can imagine, based on what segment they're a part of, and it does this instantaneously in real time. The moment they qualify for the targeting rules, they see the piece of content that you have created for them, or via recommendations in which a variety of statistical information is taken into account to determine what to show them according to an algorithm, and those things also can be applied to emails and also can be applied to apps. Now, of course, the end result is a more high-performing digital funnel from website to emails and apps because it is based on information about each individual user so that each user is seeing exactly what makes the most sense for them based on their past interactions, their refer, their location, and a whole variety of factors according to either targeting or AI-generated algorithms. And what that's going to mean to you as an online business is significant lift to whatever metrics are most important to you, higher sales, higher engagement if you're a content site, more leads, and of course greater customer satisfaction. Okay, so that concludes this brief introduction to Personalize. I hope you'll join me in future videos where I'm going to explain how to achieve specific use cases using Personalize.